Hi, this is Walid Sherzai. Welcome to my second video. Currently I'm studying in New Horizons IT Level 2 and I'm installing printer, going to install a printer with Windows 7. The first video that we installed, the webcam with the CD. So this one we're installing the printers. We don't need any CD for it because Windows 7, like this is a codec printer and the software is automatically installed in Windows 7. So this is the power cable we need to plug in the printer. When we plug in the power cable, we need to turn on the printer. We have a different types of cables to connect the printers with a computer. One of them is USB cable, which we're connecting today's printer with a computer. So this one should be go in the printer, which we need to set up it here. In this one we need to put in the computer, front side or back side USB port, doesn't matter which one is easy for you to use. So we're just using the front side at the moment. So we just plug in the printer with a computer and we're looking like the software is already installed with Windows 7. We're just going to other printer. This is going to start menu, device in printers, other printer, other local printer. Next, so we're just finding the names of the printer that we install. What is the name of the printer, which is codec? So we're just going to select the codec. Once codec complete, next again, and here like printer name. So that's depend on you. What name do you want to put in? So we're just putting any like office printer. Next, just printer is installing now. It's processing a few minutes, so it's taking a few minutes. Yep. So you find the printer, and that's depend on you. It's the option which do not to share this printer, or you want to share with your office or whatever. So you just go next. If you want to print this the page, you can't. I mean that. Just going to cancel or the print this to finish. That's it. So we just installed the printer with a Windows 7. And this is as you can see, this is the Tickmar, which is office printers. We installed the office printer and it's working whenever you print, so it's ready to print. So it's installed properly. Thank you very much. See you again for the next video.